Hello, friends. Today we continue with matter in our surroundings.
Today we will be learning about states of matter.
There are three basic states of matter: the solid state, liquid state, and the gaseous state. There are two more states of matter called plasma and BEC, that is, Bose Einstein condensate. The classification of matter, that is, solid, liquid, and gas, is based on the following properties: particle arrangement, energy of particles, and the distance between particles. Solids. Solids have definite shape. They have fixed volume, which means they are not compressible. Solids have a tendency to maintain their shape when subjected to external force, which means solids are rigid. Liquids. Liquids have no fixed shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are kept. Liquids flow and change shape, so they are not rigid. They are fluid. Liquids have a fixed volume, which means they are not compressible. Gases. Gases have no fixed shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are kept. Gases flow and change shape, so they are not rigid, they are fluid, like liquids. Gases have no fixed volume, which means they are highly compressible. Arrangement of particles. Particles in a solid are tightly packed, usually in a regular pattern. In liquids, the particles are close together with no regular arrangement. Gas particles are well separated and with no regular arrangement. Distance between particles. Solid particles are very closely packed, hence, they have high density. Liquid particles are loosely packed, so liquid density is usually lower than solids. Gas particles are far apart from each other, therefore, density is least. Energy of particles.
Gas particles have the most amount of energy, whereas in solids, the particles have the least amount of energy. Because of low energy and high intermolecular forces, particles in a solid vibrate, but generally do not move from place to place. Liquid particles move freely and slide past each other, hence, they diffuse and can flow. Because of high energy, particles in a gas vibrate and move freely at high speeds. The molecules are continuously colliding with each other and with the walls of the container. When a molecule collides with a wall, they exert small force on the wall. The pressure exerted by the gas is due to the sum of all these collision forces. The more particles that hit the wall, the higher the pressure. Let's learn a little about plasma and BEC condensate. Plasma is not a common state of matter on Earth, but it may be the most common state of matter in the universe. Plasma is like gas, but not gas. It consists of a gas of ions and free electrons. When a lot of energy is added into a gas atom, the electrons break free from the orbit, forming free electrons and a positively charged ion. This state of matter is called plasma. In fluorescent tube lights or neon signboards, noble gases like helium or neon are present. When electricity is passed through them, gases get ionized or charged. The charging up creates a plasma glowing inside a tube. Plasma glows with a special color depending upon the nature of the gas. Bose-Einstein condensate, named after Satyendranath Bose and Albert Einstein. It is a state of matter formed by cooling a gas of extremely low density to super low temperature. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Write to me at villyvideos2019 at gmail.com. Please subscribe, like and share.